Hi, my name is Tiruvela Anandakiramasamy and my metric ID is MH22008. We are from Group 2. Our group will be presenting about polypropylene chair manufacturing. So moving on to the next slide. So, as for the introduction, I'll be presenting about a few key factors or key points that is involved in manufacturing a common chair. The first one will be on the characteristic. So, as for we all know, as for a common chair is known for its versatile, practical, and affordability. And as for the material used in manufacturing a common chair are usually high density polypropylene and which is also suitable for outdoor and also indoor. And as for the material itself are usually bio-based polymers which can contribute for eco-friendly alternative for sustainable production. And as for the third one will be on manufacturing method. The common method that are used for chair manufacturing are use injection molding with high pressure method. And as for the alternative method that is used to manufacture chairs are rotational molding and blow molding for better design and flexibility. And for the fourth one will be on the design. The design usually are created in order to make ergonomical design, enhance comfort and stackability and aesthetic appealing for customers. And as for the design of a chair, of a common chair, itself also customizable through texture, color, and part of arrangement. And for the last one will be on the sustainability goals. And as for chair manufacturing, it always encourages manufacturers to adopt sustainable practices in manufacturing and also focus on environmentally friendly materials in production lines. So on this slide, I'll be presenting about problem statement for our case study. So the first one, it will be on environmental impact. So as for traditional plastic chair manufacturing, it involves usage of intensive energy in order to create the plastic chair. And as for the plastic chair that are created, usually are petroleum-based material that cannot be sustained for a long time, which can contribute to plastic contamination and reduce of non-renewable supplies. The second one, it will be on limited durability. As for manufacture of plastic chairs with mass production tends to meet the requirement of production requirement and create low quality material resulting the chairs to be in early breakage and frequent replacement are required, and it also leads to increase of environmental impact. And as for the third one, it will be on lack of design and innovation. Traditional manufacturing methods prevent us from designing chairs that are unique, exciting, or comfortable to be used nowadays. So I'll be passing on to my team members to present next.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Shukri bin Saifuddin and my matric number is MA22107. I will discuss on a project objective, material and properties. So for the objective, we propose a paradigm shift in the plastic chair design and manufacturing through the innovative application of polymer solidification techniques, specifically in injection molding. This approach aims to create a chair that is sustainable, which is utilization of bio-based and recycled polymer to minimize environmental impact. We also aim to optimization of material uses to reduce waste and exploration of recyclability or decomposition option for end-of-life management. The second one is we aim to have a durable product which is enhancements of their long life or strength through advanced solidification techniques. The product also can be repaired or upcycling possibilities to extend product life. The third one is a design base. We aim to explore of a compact pattern, ergonomic customization and artistic expression through the versatility of solidification. We also aim to creation of chair that are both aesthetically pleasing and also functionally superior. We're going to present about the materials and properties, and we will start with the material first. So firstly, the primary material used to make a polypropylene chair is the polypropylene polymer with including extra ingredients or additive to improve the qualities. So polypropylene is a type of polyolefin and propylene monomers polymerized to create polypropylene, which is then processed to make a complete polypropylene chair. Reinforcements are added for increased strength of chair. Glass fibers acts as the reinforcement that are incorporated to improve the polypropylene strength and stiffness, and also increase the chair's overall robustness and durability. To achieve the required design and safety factors, this additive may contain stabilizers or colorants. It is simple to process polypropylene utilizing a variety of techniques, including blow molding, extrusion, and injection molding, which results in lightweight and robust structures. And the specific formulation of polypropylene for chair manufacturing involve carefully controlling the chemical composition, additive, and processing conditions to attain the required properties and also the qualities. This includes the monitoring on the copolymer content and molecular weight distribution if any copolymerization with other monomers are involved, and the arrangement of the monomers unit in the polymer chain. To give the polypropylene color, pigments or dyes are applied. Stabilizers are applied to shape the polypropylene against the deterioration brought on by the exposure of UV light. So when they applied outside, this helps keeps the chair's color and structural integrity to be intact. So for the next parts of methods and properties, we will distinguish the chemical properties and the mechanical properties of polypropylene. So firstly, for chemical properties, polypropylene is a thermoplastic polymer made from the monomer propylene. Its chemical structure consists of repeat propylene units. Next, propylene is recyclable, contributing to sustainability objective and reducing the environmental impact of chair manufacturing. This property indicates its ability to undergo the recycling process for reuse. Finally, polypropylene is considered a more environmental friendly option compared to some other materials due to its recyclability. Next, for the mechanical properties of polypropylene, firstly, polypropylene material can be used for applications where balance between weight and strength is required because it is low intensity and relatively lightweight. Secondly, polypropylene is resistant to breaking or tearing under tension due to its higher tensile strength and is highly flexible, which make it simple to bend and shape into variety of shapes. One factor contributing to the chair's overall lightweight is that it has a low density, where polypropylene contributes to ease the handling of chairs.
Hi, I'm Sitan Shafira Saleh. I am 822093. I'm going to describe the design of our plastic chair. Is a durable and ergonomically designed plastic chair. Production techniques. Every step is carefully considered to ensure quality and functionality. For the seat shell part, the seat shell is made from polypropylene, ensuring a lightweight yet durable structure, and it is provide comfort and adequate support for a long-term use while being easy to maintain. For the backrest part, is designed to promote a good posture. The backrest support the spine. For the front and rear legs, the legs are crucial for stability, distributing weight evenly to prevent a wobbling and toppling. Polypropylene enhance durability and impact resistance, ensuring the chair withstand daily use. For the last part was apron. A structural component that reinforces the leg. The apron improves overall stability by resisting lateral forces when the user leans to chair or shift weights.
To manufacture this plastic chair, there will be two processes under consideration. The first one is injection molding and the second one is thermoforming. Each of these processes is important because it will have a long-term impact on the manufacturing process and the environment. Here we can see the factors that must be investigated when assessing the sustainability of the process, including the piece cost, the tooling cost, lead time, complexity of the part, production volume, necessity of finishing process, and the materials. So from this table, we can see the tooling cost of injection molding is much higher than thermoforming, which can cause an increase in production cost, but the price can be lowered drastically in the long run as injection molding is suitable for high volume production and the mold can be used up to millions of cycles. Moreover, only minimal finishing process is required for injection molding, but for thermoforming, there will be a secondary finishing process to remove unwanted parts, and as a result, it will cause a large amounts of plastic waste generated by thermoforming processes.
We are moving to result of this project, which is the comparison between injection molding and thermoforming. For the pros for injection molding, it is lower cost per piece in mass production. It is also suitable for complex design. Uh, Minimal finishing required, such as injection molding, produce smooth and surface with precise dimension. It is also reducing the need for processing, which saves time and material. For the cons of it was higher initial tooling cost. The cost of creating mold is substantial, making this process less suitable for low production runs. It is also longer lead time, within 10 to 18 weeks. For the thermoforming, for the pros, it was lower tooling cost compared to injection molding. Thermoforming requires simpler and cheaper molds, making it a viable option for a low to mid production volumes. It is also shorter lead time, within 4 to 8 weeks. It is also ideal for simpler design. But the cost of thermoforming was higher per piece cost because it is lacks of the efficiency of mass production. The cost per chair remain higher than in injection molding. It is requires additional finishing, generating more waste. To compare for these two processes, based on data selected, the preferred manufacturing process is we choose injection molding due to its cost efficiency for large-scale production and ability to create complex chair design with a minimal finishing.
Based on the factors discussed and comparison made for injection molding process and thermoforming process on their pros and cons, it is decided that injection molding is the best process in manufacturing plastic chairs. It is because of the ability of injection molding method to increase longevity and decrease the frequency of chair replacements. Moreover, um, the chair capacity for repair or upcycling adds even another level of sustainability. Chairs that are damaged or worn out can be repaired or recycled, increasing their lifespan and cutting down on plastic waste. So, in conclusion, it proves that injection molded plastic chairs are more beneficial to those made using the thermoforming technique, especially when it comes to sustainability, durability, and appearance.